welcome back. So earlier we told you about this weekend's Mele Kalikimaka Marketplace, and while the shopping is great for the adults, there's also lots to do for kids as well. I've got Becca Kim here with me from the Pacific Expo's Mele Show marketing team. Becca, thank you so much for being here with us.
Thank you so much for having us.
Okay, so I'm curious to know, there's something called the Mele Show. Can you tell us what that's about?
Sure. So the Mele Show is actually short for the Melekalaikimaka Marketplace. And so this is a huge, crafts and gifts kind of expo. And there's also going to be, this is our 5th one. So there's going to be Santa Claus and Rudolph and 200 plus vendors that are going to be local. So it'd be great to come local, support local. So yeah.
I am such a big believer in shopping local because obviously, we all like the convenience of big box retailers, but there's something about the love and the craftsmanship put into, these particular items that we should definitely celebrate, right?
We definitely should.
And then 200 vendors all in one roof, not to mention you got Santa being there, so I can imagine
and Rudolph,
great photo opportunities.
For sure.
Tell me about more about the event. If people want to head there, where should they go?
So the event's going to be held at the spacious Blaisdell Exhibition Hall, and so it's going to be really fun. It's this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and again, like we said, 200 plus vendors, and it's going to be pretty fun.
Yeah, and a $4 admission, right? That's like less than the cost of, I don't know, a boba tea.
That's true.
Tell me about any special events happening at the Mele Show.
Okay, so we have the Gingerbread Workshop, which it benefits the KHII kids.
Oh,
and
KHII kids.
Yeah, so it's for a good cause, and so we really recommend that you would reserve your spot online because there's only going to be a minimum amount on site. So as long as we know in advance, please come and support KHII kids too.
So the Gingerbread Workshop, you get to make, there we go. Yeah. We get to make gingerbread houses. Oh, that's so fun.
And you get to take it home.
And you get to take it home. Ooh, that's so fun. Can you tell me, can anyone go? I mean, who's invited?
Yeah, sure. So everyone is invited, from couples to, families. We highly recommend everyone to come. Anyone is invited. And shout out to, Harry and the Pacific Expo teams for working so hard. But we'd say, hey, come to www.melekalikimarketplace.com to check out for more info. Yeah.
Becca Kim, thank you so much. I'm actually really excited about this gingerbread house. I think I should check that out.
I hope you come.
Yeah, we can take it home.
Yes.
Can eat that too. Good stuff. Becca, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Lauren, over